If you have been trading the CRT candle, the 5 a.m. CRT candle, 1 a.m. CRT candle, or 9 a.m. CRT candle, and you have not been profitable, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the number one mistake you are making with your CRT candles, whether the 5 a.m. CRT candle, the 9 a.m. CRT candle, or the 1 a.m. CRT candle. When it comes to trading CRT candle or candle rate theory is the strategy that tells what? That deals with what? Deals with each candle. You need to understand candle anatomy. And that is one number one mistake you are making with what? With trading CRT candle. If you don't understand your CRT candle, your candle range, the candle anatomy, you can't be profitable trading a what? The CRT the CRT strategy. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you, this is a practical example of me using the what? The 9 a.m. CRT candle. The 9 a.m. CRT candle is a practical example of me using it. So you can see this is what. So this is how I use the what? The 9 a.m. CRT candle. Now, if you look at very well on this CRT candle, you can see on my 4 hours time frame where my entry was. I already have my what? My CRT candle there. You can see the what? The first red candle. You can see the what? The one that is touching my moving average. So that is how I use the CRT candle. So you need to understand CRT candle. You need to understand each candle, the anatomy of candlestick. It is very, very important. And after you understand the anatomy of each candle, then you must understand time frame alignment. Time frame alignment is very, very important. So these are the mistakes you make in what? In trading CRT, why you've not been profitable trading the CRT candle. Right? The number one is what? You did not understand the time rate, the candle anatomy. Candle anatomy is very, very important when it comes to CRT candle trading. And your time frame alignment also what? Also matters. You can see me drawing my what? Drawing my range. Right? Drawing my range on the what? On the 4 hours time frame, the time frame that I'm using. So I've seen my range already, and on my daily time frame, I've seen the what? I've seen the what? The liquidity area that I'm going into. So I've measured my range already. So I know the daily range I'm on. So I know where where I expected the what? The sell to go to. I know where I expected the sale to last to. So it's not as if I'm just trading it blankly. No, I'm not just trading it blankly. I see on 30-minute time frame. So everything needs to what? Needs to align. Your time frame alignment is very, very, very important. It's very, very important. You must understand time frame alignment, candlestick, candle range. So when you flip account, when you want to flip account, so these are the things you put into consideration. These are the things you put into consideration. So it was actually a return back to what? To order block. You can see I've marked my order block. So that is how I use the word, the candle range theory. And when I'm using the candle range theory, I align it with what? With my bread and butter strategy. If you are very conversant on my YouTube channel, you know that I've always been talking about bread and butter strategy, just a simple strategy. Just 4 rules you need to follow. Just 4 things. 4 basic rules that you need to follow. You put them into consideration and you're good to go. So I use it in London session, I use it in New York session, I use it in what? In Asia session. It is time-based trading strategy. And if you want to be profitable in trading, you need to understand the importance of time. Time over price. Time over price is when you understand time and you blend your time with, you blend price with time. That is when you'll be what? You'll be profitable. That is when you can what? You can flip account the way you want. You can see that profit while you are going into trading. You need to be what? You need to be time conscious. Understand the time management. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. So you can see it actually eats my what? My take profit. My take profit was looking at the equilibrium level of that what? Of that my daily range. And you can see I'm on $98. So that is how I flipped accounts. And that is how I blend my bread and butter strategy with the CRT can. It's one of the most easy to follow strategy. So I've reached my take profit, which is the equilibrium level. So at the equilibrium level, I know there should be what? There should be a buy. So I'm closing the position already. So if you
So if you
want to
want to
learn
learn,
about my bread and butter strategy, you can actually, on the description of the video, you'll find a link in the description of the video, and you can actually message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm going to respond to you. So my bread and butter strategy combined with my CRT strategy, simple strategy that I used to what to build small account, that I used to what to flip accounts for maximum profits. Because trading should be what should be fun. Trading should be fun. You don't need a you don't if you have a large capital is an added advantage. But if you can't handle a small account, definitely you can't handle a bigger account. So you need to understand the importance of time. You need to understand your what? You need to understand candle range. So as a recap of the what of the whole videos, the first number one mistake you are making is what you not understanding your candle range theory.